Hey guys, good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to execute triangular arbitrage using Binance. So, to execute triangular arbitrage, let's open our Binance. Now, for your Binance, go to the trade section. So, I'll go to market section. Now, you can see the name, the last price, and then the change in the last 24 hours. So our main target here are the coins that has the highest percentage in the last 24 hours. So let's sort it by highest percentage in the last 24 hours. Okay. Now we have a TW and USDT. So we want for the case of this video, we'll be looking at coins that has a pair with a USDT. USDT is a stable coin, so we don't want a situation where our profits will be lost along the way. So let's try this. Click on the coin, CWT. So click on more to see the pairs. So click on compare markets. So you can see you have a CWT USDT and TWT CRY. So for the two are selling at the same price on USDT. So let's check another coin. Now this so this one is selling at 0.0323 and this one is 0.022. This one is not stable at all. So it's not stable. So trading on this coin will be very risky, as you can lose your profit within the formula is 0.32, 0.32, 0.34, 0.31, 0.34. So we are looking at looking for a stable fund. More funds with BSC, USD.
You can see it. I can't see it.
This one doesn't have any pair markets. Let me click on. Well, what about this?
That's it. Not like this. What video?
Okay. So now this yeah. So we'll be doing with this. As you can see, these are the USDT is selling much lower, much higher, and then the FD/USDT is selling lower. Yes, since our coin is cheaper than FD/USDT, so we're buying from this FD/USDT. So we click on it. Well, but this means that before we execute anything, we have to fund our FD/USDT.
No,
Okay, so now we are going to buy this FD/USDT. So we are now at the buy section. So let's use your $100. So this will also amount to 600. Yeah. So first of all, convert our currency. Now we are going to have for from the convert, you can now input how many USDT you want to convert. So yeah, we are converting 100 USDT. So we have 100.12 FD/USDT. So this is what we'll be using in our trade. So we will now go back to our market and are there to search for.
let me that's it. Then push to now like what do you want, man? I don't want my channel only one. Hey, cho thằng đó đi xài qua sao không?
So we are now at this point. So now we have how many this will have 100.12. So 100.12 will give us 23.44 OMNI. So now from this, we are going to convert back our OMNI to USDT. So we are selling now. Then now sell. How much are we selling? We are selling 23.44. So at the end of our arbitrage, you can see that we end up with 100.79 USDT. So we started with 100 USDT and we are ending with 100.792 USDT. So this is an improvement 0.01 USDT. So you can continue to perform these tasks. That if you do this 10 times, you are going to have if you do this 10 times, you are going to have 1 USDT. So this is how arbitrage works. And if you are lucky, you can find a coin that has a better conversion rate. So the main thing is to find coin that is changing quickly. So that's 24 hours. Find any coin that is changing quickly. Tap on these two coins, go to more, go to compare markets. Then until you find a coin that has so many pairs, then you can compare their buying and selling between other pairs. So this is how Triangular Arbitrage works.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.